What up, Team Buckhouse? We're back at I'm Mondi, and this time Roman dude came with us, and he's gonna be like splashing around in the water. Got a little kid play thing he'll do, and overall we're excited to be out here on the water, right, man? Cody's already on the water, so we're gonna start the day off with Cody because he's already ripping, and me and Cody will every other lap kind of hang out with him, play with him and whatnot. And so every time we're on the water, it's gonna be hang on as long as you can. Here we go. Stuck under the dock. Come on, man. Look at the bubbles. Get it, dude. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, it's slippery. Ooh. Hey, dude, what? Stop! You're getting my boots all wet. All right. Cody's here to tag me in. Let's go. Get it. Cool. Sweet. Right off the bat, here we go. We're ripping. First tee, let's go! I'll try to tap it. Woo! We're gonna those ollies. Alright, let's try a tail press on the big boy. Gotta get that more 90. Woo, try grabbing the rope. Oh, try grabbing the board again while we board slide. Oh, my fingers. Hit this fixture switch. Well, didn't really get to juice that. Let's take a break. My hands are on fire. We're getting wet. Here we go. Honestly, that feels really good today. What a first run. We'll run that back. Let's go check in on Roman dude. Now, we didn't get everything as clean as we wanted, by the way. That's what the next lap's for. When we went out, we just started getting it. What's up, dude? What are you doing? You playing with the cannon?
No, I'm drinking.
No, you're not.
He's trying to drink it, and I told him there's fish tea in there.
Yeah, that's fish water, my dude. Don't drink that. Don't drink the water.
Dude, that's hose.
What? What are you doing with that hose?
There you go. Appreciate it.
Gotta do a different trick on that one. I let go because I didn't want to die. Sometimes you just gotta let go. Alright, so for a couple laps in, it's feeling great. Obviously, hands still kind of hurt. They always hurt when we're wakeboarding. Hands, arms, but just when you think you're getting in shape, you're still not. Still burn. But today we're going to keep working on new things. Try and do like a 360. I've been working on ollies next to that big feature since we already got the board slide on it. And overall, maybe try a back one. I want to figure out what it feels like to land blind, is what they call it in wakeboarding. A lot of the tricks are called the same, and the tricks that are not called the same have the weirdest name. But overall, stoked on Roman being here as well, getting the little dude, just seeing action sports, that's all that matters. So you can be like, yo, I want to be like that. Get out here. Yeah, hello, Rocky. Hello. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. 3, 2, 1. Ramen dude. Oh, did it hurt your butt?
It's a good girl, man.
Come on. Boot grab. There we go. I think they're called wheelies. Starting to figure that out. There we go. Howdy, partner. Yeah. Yeah, Cody. Yeah. Oh, let's go. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Oh. Woo. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Together? Yep. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Oh, Cody nailed my shins. Woo! Oh, I did not think you'd do a 180. Oh, he got me so good. Double shinner, Cody. You suck. Sadly, guys, that one was chipmunk too. We only did a 2-hour session, which sucks because it's a 3-hour drive. So 6 hours of driving for 2 hours of play. Hopefully next time we can come down here and do like 3 days. Like down in Khuno, but 2 days of wakeboarding. More time. Whew. Oh, he got me so good. This is a good, that's actually a good gash. Oh, that hurt. Cody broke rule number 1 of doing a same trick, same feature as a buddy. Keep it mellow. You killed me, man.
Like, I knew that I didn't have the speed for it because we were on a pre-shirt too, but I wasn't gonna not do it.
Well, you killed me.
Oh shoot, dude.
Yeah, no, it hurts.
Yeah, it looks like it hurts.
Yeah, that sucked. You suck.
We didn't really communicate on that one either.
Yeah, well, I was like, let's go doubles, and you're like, okay. Rule number 1 to doing double tricks with a homie: you keep it mellow. What did you front 1?
Yeah, I was trying to front
one to shin bang.
Sorry,
he was like, tap. But we're good. All right, Team Buckhouse, that was our day at wakeboarding. Comment below how much you hate Cody. And with that being said, as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow with another video because it is daily on this snowboard channel. That's a wakeboard channel. No, yeah, no.